but look just how many LEDs are on this bulb. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, our friends over at AUXITO sent us a pair of LED reverse light bulbs to try out on our 2017 Ram Sport. So we've upgraded most of the lights in this truck, and from factory they already come with LED lights for the brake lights, and of course they have some projectors in the front and whatnot that we've upgraded too. I'll leave that link down below for you if you want to check it out. But we have not upgraded our reverse lights on this truck yet, and so they're the standard factory halogen bulbs. So they're not very bright, you know, they're just standard. They kind of have the yellowish look to them and whatnot. And I'll do some before and after so you can kind of see how everything turns out and what it looks like. But they've sent us these to try out, and I'll leave the link down below so you can check this out. They have a great website, all of the top brands, everything. You can search by vehicle, make, model, year, all the good stuff, so you can find exactly what fits your vehicle. And so this is going to be a real quick, easy install. A couple of bolts, plugs, pop them out, put them back in. Should see a tremendous difference. So again, a big thank you to AUXITO for sending these to us to try out. And let's jump to the video and get them installed. And another quick note, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We do videos like these all the time, unboxing, reviews, test results, everything for you. We do mods, upgrades, installs, travel videos, hobbies, all kinds of stuff like that. You might find something you're interested in sticking around for. I appreciate it. If you found it interesting or helpful whatsoever, leave a like. If you've got any comments about anything at all, I try to answer everything for you guys, so leave a comment down below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching it. Now let's check them out. So here's our bulbs out of the package. Pretty self-explanatory, short and sweet here, but look just how many LEDs are on this bulb. You about don't have any option but to be very bright and white with these, so this should give off an excellent amount of light up everything behind us just fine when we're reversing and backing up. So again, pretty straightforward. We've got two bolts here, 1 and 2, and then this light just pops straight back out, and then we can untwist it and pop the bulb out, and we're almost done. Just that easy. And that was really just how easy it was. There's 2 screws that come out, Torx bit, and then you just pull straight out on the light and it'll unclip from the plastic plugs on the side. Twist the bulb out, pop it out. You can use, let's see, let me show you. You can use cloth rag gloves if you want to on these old halogen bulbs. You can see that there. If you want to keep them for spares or backups or whatever. I've always heard, and I think, you know, they say don't touch halogen bulbs with your greasy fingers or anything on them because they get so hot, cause them to bust or explode or cause a problem. So, you know, do what you will with that if you want to. You can take those, or if you want to save them, use a rag or something, put them back in the box. Otherwise, if you don't care if you're going to toss them, just yank them out and put the new ones in. But let's take a closer look at these side by side. So you can see, obviously, our normal halogen bulb, normal filament, and then look just how many LED chips are on this bulb. I mean, that's going to light up the night big time. So we got to do the other one real quick, and then we'll be done. It's a super easy task, not hard at all to get this installed. And with that, we're all done. So super easy install, nothing to it. A couple of bolts, pull them out, twist the plugs, good to go. So if you have a non-sport truck or a Ram or any other vehicle that doesn't have factory LEDs in it, like this one does, you can check out their brake lights. They have third brake lights, headlights, fog lights, everything on their website. Just punch in your make, model, year, all that good stuff like normal, and you can check it out and see what they have to offer you. They have excellent prices and all kinds of color ranges, from normal warm white to bright white to blue to purple. So they have all kinds of different color ranges and stuff. So I'll leave all the links down below if you want to check them out, and appreciate you watching the video. Now I'll go ahead and pop in some before and after clips at nighttime so you can see just how much brighter these LEDs are going to be than the stock halogens. Here's a video of the before. I tried to turn the brightness down on it so you could see a little bit better. We're doing the reverse light LED change out here, so it's kind of hard to get it without the brake lights on, but there's the stock halogen reverse lights. You can kind of see the yellow tint to them. There's that one. And then here is what it lights up out in the yard. Not super bright. You can kind of see the yellow light and everything, but there's that. Here's one more shot with it parked over here kind of by the trees. You can see, let me adjust the brightness just slightly. There's the brightness on the tree and on the ground. And again, this is the two stock reverse lights. Of course, it's lit up a lot brighter than it normally would be with the brake lights on, but there's not much we can do about that. But we'll get the new ones in and see how it compares. You can see just how bright these LEDs are. They're extremely bright. So turn the brightness down just a little bit. You can see how bright white they are. Even with the brightness turned all the way down on the camera, it's still so bright you can't hardly see it. And here's another shot so you can see kind of the difference, just how bright everything lights up over here in the corner of the yard. So they are extremely bright. Worked out really well. Need to upgrade the tag lights too, because now they just look kind of dingy and yellow, but everything else looks really, really good. And that's it, guys. I appreciate you sticking around and watching the video. And again, check out AUXITO and their website, links below. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I appreciate it. We do all kinds of videos like this here on the channel: cars, upgrades, mods, unboxing, reviews, travel videos, hobby videos, stuff like that. So you might find something else you want to watch. I'll leave some playlists down below for you. Leave a thumbs up if you want to. Any questions or comments, drop them down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye.